We started our first store in Orangevale in 2009 and have continued to grow since then. Over the last 10 years, the company has grown to include 4 stores in Northern California that easily see well over 1,000 guests every day. Our team has recently embarked on a company-wide rebrand. This project took over a year and culminated in the launch of the Perfect Union brand name. Our Northern California stores are now called Perfect Union, signifying the importance of community, the sense of belonging, and loyalty to friends, family, and lifestyle. The messaging, look, and feel will unify the retail experience at all Perfect Union stores so our guests can expect the same quality product and excellent level of customer service at any Perfect Union location. David Spradlin started our first store and is now the CEO of our growing company. David began cultivating cannabis in 2007 and was one of the first graduates of Oaksterdam University, which is America's first cannabis college. After that, he began opening and operating dispensaries throughout Northern California and has established procedures and implemented a level of professionalism previously unseen in the industry. Given our 10-year history operating dispensaries in several jurisdictions, we have experience partnering with city and state officials. We take pride in the fact that we are always up to date on current regulations and requirements, and we make sure our employees and guests are informed as well. For the sake of our staff, our guests, facilities, and our community, we are committed to creating the safest possible operations to minimize risk. All staff training, operating protocol, security systems, and the facility itself are carefully designed with safety in mind at every step. Through our long-standing relationship with our security provider, Crime Alert, all Perfect Union stores have comprehensive security plans, including 24-hour security on-site to ensure a safe and secure environment around the clock. Inside the store, it is our goal to provide our guests with the safest, most consistent, and highest quality cannabis products. We believe through education, lab testing, and feedback, we can create a superior system of quality assurance that protects guests, promotes best practices, and creates a level of enhanced consumer safety. Another important aspect of our business plan is our employee training program. Each employee receives in-depth training covering customer service and confidentiality, products and methods of ingestion, dosing, various medical conditions, and how cannabis can alleviate symptoms that coincide with them. They are also trained to ask the right questions to help understand each person's needs so we can help them feel better. An important pillar of Perfect Union is our partnership with the United Food and Commercial Workers Union, which began in 2010. We were the first and remain the largest cannabis company with contracted dispensary workers in the state. This was important to our founders to provide support and guidance as well as a fair living wage and health care for our employees. Like us, UFCW is committed to building a successful industry with a thriving, diverse, and skilled workforce. In 2012, we began working with UFCW on the creation of the country's first state-sanctioned apprenticeship program for cannabis pharmacy technicians. Through this, we were able to graduate the first journeyman in the state of California to be a certified cannabis pharmacy technician, and she is now our Western States Regional Manager. We were thrilled to partner on this, and we look forward to continuing our workforce development in this program. One of Perfect Union's core values is community involvement and volunteerism. We constantly strive to educate our guests and the community through various forms of communication. Upon a guest's first visit, they will receive a new guest brochure which reviews different product types and their respective effects, proper dosages, our daily specials, and discounts for seniors and veterans. Reading this, guests will also learn about required identification to enter the store, our compassion program for those diagnosed with HIV, Crohn's, or cancer, and our loyalty program that gives points or store credit to be used on a subsequent visit. Each store has handouts upon request that explain local and state rules regarding cannabis, where it can be consumed, how much you can possess, and safe and responsible use. Community involvement is at the heart of Perfect Union's company culture. Each of our stores gives back to the community in a way that uniquely supports and provides services for free or at a reduced cost to those who need it. Examples of services that are provided for a free or reduced cost to our patients include veteran support groups, Crohn's support groups, public health nurse consultations, acupuncture, chiropractic services, and yoga classes. In addition to these services, we also encourage our guests to contribute to the communities in which they live. In every store, we have donation jars in which we encourage guests to give back to local causes. Our in-store donations often raise several $1,000s each month, proving that working together, we can raise awareness and make an impact. We believe by honoring our history and standing by the importance of employee training, safety and security, and community involvement, we can continue to play a positive role in the communities in which we live and work. We look forward to bringing Perfect Union, along with our industry experience and exceptional customer service, to many more cities and communities for years to come.